Amy Miller's insurance policy includes 2,500 bodily injury limits and 25,000 property damage. Her vehicle is in age group B and insurance rating group 14. She has a $50 deductible comprehensive and $50 deductible collision insurance. Miller's drive rating factor is 2.4. What's her annual premium? Okay, so a lot of information there, and then they give us this table that has even more information. So we're going to need to streamline and remember, ask ourselves, what do we need to know here? So it's asking us to solve for annual premium. So that's your clue to pull out your annual premium equation. Annual premium is equal to annual base premium multiplied by the driving rating factor. So I'm just going to say driving rating factor. Okay. Now, do we know this information? Do I know the annual base premium? Do I know the drive factor? Let's find out. So let's see. It talks about her bodily injury, her group, $50 deductible. So no, we don't know the annual base premium. We do know the driver rating factor. We know that that's 2.4, so that's helpful. But we need to figure out the annual base premium. So pull out the equation for that, and I'm going to write it down here for more space. So my annual base premium is equal to my liability premium added to my collision premium plus my comprehensive premium. Okay, let's see if I know those. So again, it's not given to me specifically in the text, okay, but that does tell me everything I need to know to figure it out. So for example, if I need to know let's start with liability premium. We'll go in order. So liability premium, it says right here, annual liability premium. So you need to know the bodily injury limits, which they tell us is 25,100. So we go over and we find 25,100. We also need to know the property damage, which is 25,000. So we find 25,000 on property damage limits. We go to where the two overlap. So that would be this box here, 319. So as simple as that, her liability premium is $319. Next we'll tackle collision. So collision and comprehensive premium. So I need to know where her age group is. So first, her vehicle is in age group B. So I'm going to look at age group B. Her insurance rating is group 14, so I look at group 14. Now notice that it says ABCD twice, right? ABCD twice, but I'm just looking at collision. This one is for comprehensive. Okay, so I look at where these two overlap, and it happens at 305. So she pays 305 in collision. Finally, I'm going to look at comprehensive. So once again, it's group B and still group 14, and I look and see where these overlap. So this time it's happening at $121. So that's her premium, $121 for comprehensive. So if I add the three of these together, it's going to tell me my annual base premium. So 319 plus 305 plus 121 is $745. So now I can go back to my annual premium and I can say, okay, my annual base is $745, which is going to be multiplied by my driver rating factor of 2.4. So I multiply the two together and I find that my annual premium is equal to $1,788. So again, I know those tables look a little intimidating at first, but just take your time, comb through the material. All the information you need to know to read the table will always be given to you.